Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous episode, we learnt about Raag Des. The Aroha Avroha of this Raag. Sa re ma pa ni sa sa komal ni dha pa ma ga re ga ni sa. This is an Audava Sampurna Raga, which means it has 5 notes in the ascending and all the 7 notes in the descending. The Rag falls into the Khamaj That, which means the Rag is derived from the Khamaj That. The Vadi Sur, or the most important note, is the Rishabha, and the Samvadi, the second most important note, is Pancham. This Rag is a late night Rag, generally played in the second prahar of the night. This Rag also happens to be a seasonal Rag that marks the advent or the leaving of the monsoons. Today is the 11th of August. We are just 4 days away from the Independence Day. Hence, I thought that it would be very apt to teach you to play the national song, which is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is based on Raag Des only. The song was penned by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and was adopted as the national song on 24th of January 1950. Let us see how the song sounds and then let us learn to play it. An incredible piece of poetry, invigorating lyrics, along with beautiful music. That is what Vande Mataram is to millions of Indians. I hope you have been practicing the Alankar in Raag Des, or else this song might be slightly difficult to play. Sa re ma pa ma pa. Ma pa ni sa ni sa. Sa re ma pa ma pa. Ma pa ni sa ni sa. Sa re ni dha pa pa dha ma ga re. Re pa ma ma ga re ga sa. Sa re ma pa pa komali dha pa. Ma pa ni sa ni sa. Ma ma pa ni 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 sa ni sa ni sa. Ni ni sa sa re sa ni dha pa. Re re ma ga re re ni dha pa. Ma pa ni sa ni sa. Ma pa ni sa ni sa. Brilliant job, superbly done. I guess all that Alankar practice is paying off, right? And if you're not getting it now, practice a little more Alankar and come back. This video is going nowhere. So that is all for today. If you wish to support me in this journey of mine, then I request you to do so in the form of memberships through Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like more downloadable PDFs, more Alankars, Alankars in Ragas, monthly Google Meet session and so much more. Or else I request you to consider making me a one-time contribution through any of these sources mentioned here. I am there on PayPal too. Or else just like this video and leave a comment here so that I can engage with you. Share this video with someone who is learning the flute and it will definitely be helpful for them. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and press that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will give me immense happiness. Thank you so much for joining in. The Silent Flautist signing off for today. See you again next week with a new video.